there is no true separation. This is why judging others feels so misguided. When you see someone, like a homeless person, it's easy to fall into judgment. But that person is you. And they are also a divine expression of the universe. If you find yourself wanting to distance from someone because of their actions, appearance, or behavior, it's counterproductive, because that person is simply another version of you, a mirror reflecting aspects of your own existence. The more you judge others, the further you stray from inner peace and joy. Judging reinforces the false idea of separateness. In truth, you are not isolated from the whole. When you judge, you lower your vibrational energy, creating an instant sense of disconnection from the universe. This leads to feelings of loneliness, fear, and isolation. Because without a sense of connection to the greater whole, survival feels, terrifying. So choose to reconnect, let go of judgment, and allow life's flow to guide you back to harmony.